Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is created for those who using Burp Suite to solve the extension error occur when we try to install an extension from the Burp Suite store. Open your Burp Suite software. Go to the extension tab shown in the middle between the Organizer and Learn tab. Open the tab by clicking the extension. To install the extension, we need to open the BAS Store tab. After the Installed tab, search for the extension you want to install in the search field. Here, I need to install hackvertor. Here I press the Install button in the right corner. The extension is not installed. It give an error. To solve that error, we need to scroll down the right page, and there is a GitHub link on the page. Click the GitHub page link, and download the jar file from there. If there is no jar file, read the written file on the GitHub page to install it in your Burp Suite. Download the jar file. After download, close the browser window and open Burp Suite. Open the Installed tab. Click the Add button. Select the extension type, Java, Python, or Ruby. Here, I have a jar file, so I select Java. After that, click the Select File and choose the jar file we downloaded earlier. Click the Next button in the bottom right corner of Load Burp extension window. After that, close the Load Burp extension window. Here, we successfully installed the Burp Suite hackvertor extension. If any problem with my video, please feel free to comment down below. It will make me improve and create more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching. Wish you a good day.